Good evening and welcome to another Thursday of Guru Seva Guruvar. I am Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar, and every Thursday, as my respect to Sai Ji Maharaj, I have Guru Seva Guruvar where I offer my angelic guidance and energy healing services absolutely for free to all of you, to everyone who wishes to avail my guidance. So welcome once again. Hello Nitin Gupta, thank you so much for joining in. It's a blessed Thursday. Yes, good to see you again. Thank you so much for taking care of the time difference. I know from Nairobi it becomes a little tricky, but thank you so much for finding time to join in. Hi Bhavna Puri, good evening. Thanks for this lovely heart. I hope you had a wonderful Diwali. Yeah. So before we begin the session, I want to inform all of you. Hi Dimple Rawat, good evening. So I want to inform you that the last batch of automatic writing workshop, which is a workshop of around 7 hours on Zoom and the next 3 months as absolute practice sessions. So we will be starting that on 24th of November. And yes, there's a special course that I have designed for angel tarot cards, the tarot cards that I do. Yes, these ones. So yes, the entire course is angel therapy, but I have this angel tarot reading. That means just for the reading of the cards, I have this course which will begin from December 21st. You'll find all the details. I will be putting them on my page. It would already be there, so maybe you'll need to scroll up, but what I'll do is for your benefit, I'll post it in the comment section. Yeah. So yes, before we begin our session, as usual, I would want you all to put your right palm on your heart chakra and take a nice deep breath in. So breathe in deeply, and as you breathe in, visualize a beautiful green ball of light filling up your heart chakra, and ask yourself, which is the question that I need guidance for today? Yeah. And then slowly exhale out. Once again, take a nice deep breath in, and as you breathe in, ask yourself the question, what is it that I need guidance for? Hello Mini Kanna, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you. When a light worker joins in, I feel so much more empowered. One last time, take a nice deep breath in and allow the question for which you need guidance to bubble up. Slowly exhale out, and yes, you may write your questions. Hello Ritika Sarkar, good evening. Yes, I had a great festival season. Yeah, I will be taking out angel guidance for you, but first I think the question has been written by Preeti Sharma. I hope the music isn't too loud and you are able to hear my voice absolutely clearly, right? Yeah. So if there's any issue, let me know. I can, lower the volume. Okay, so Preeti Sharma has asked, please do take out card for my sister Shivani. She's going through financial problems. Please guide. So let's ask the angels, what is the guidance for Shivani? So you write Shivani with a W. Generally, I've seen it with V. So let's take out guidance for Shivani. Okay, so you know what? Shivani needs to balance out. See, it's a tough time for her, no doubt. The card that has come out, Preeti Sharma, definitely talks about, tough times for her. But what I can get is that right now, if she's looking for some job or she's looking for an opportune time to begin her own business venture, she needs to wait. This is not exactly the perfect time to take up the step. She needs to, in fact, take a step back and literally, find a strength within her, in the sense, look up the spiritual aspect of her. Sometimes, there are blockages in your own outlook, in your own thoughts, in the way you think or in the way you perceive things, Preeti. So what she needs to do is, she has a lot of blessings. Trust me, she has a lot of blessings from the angels and the divine. What she needs to do is simply tap into her own self, and she'll realize that it's not as bad as she thinks it is. If she's able to balance out things for her own self, it would be the best thing. Yeah, but there's one thing that I can say. There is a number called 58. So if she keeps on chanting 58, again and again and again, as many times as possible, the obstacles that are coming in her way to achieve financial success, those obstacles would be cleared off. Yeah. And another thing that she can also do is she can visualize that she is sitting under a tree, under a huge tree, a big tree, Preeti. Shivani can visualize herself that she is sitting under this huge beautiful tree full of leaves, and if she wants flowers, and she can visualize birds chirping and everything, and she can visualize that money is falling on her, the coins, especially the coins are just falling, and she can hear the trickle of the coins. So the more she visualizes this, the better it would be for her. Yeah. So do let us know how it panned out. Miniji, thank you so much for joining in. I know your small hello means a lot to me. Yes, Ritika Sarkar, hope you had a great festive season. Yes, I did. I hope you did too. Angel guidance for me, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining in for Guru Seva Guruvar. And you've been here for some time now, so I really value your contribution. So here's the guidance for you for this week. See, this week, Ritika Sarkar, is for you to go inward, go within yourself, and to think about the life decisions that you've taken, the path that you have taken up till now, because maybe over the years, over the period of time, you have, harnessed some fears, you've harnessed certain reservations about some people or some events, or there must be some feelings which are not really very good, but you feel that they are very justified. So this is the time to release everything that is holding you back. Basically, Ritika कहते हैं ना, एक पोटली है, वो पोटली आपकी भर गई है. So उस पोटली को आप थोड़ा सा खाली करें. तो जब वो खाली करेंगे तो एक बहुत अच्छी जगह बनेगी, so that new energies can come into it. Yeah. So of course, a beautiful way to do it is hold a rose quartz if you have with you, or otherwise you can have a rose quartz from any Amazon, or if you have any crystal dealers, or if you feel, you can always write up to me, and we can arrange for a rose quartz, a beautiful rose quartz, to be sent to you, and you can hold it and meditate. Keep it under a pillow when you sleep, or when you lie down to meditate, you can simply put it over your heart chakra, the rose quartz, and lie down for some time, feeling the release in the heart chakra. Yes, so that would really help you, Ritika. Malaji, thank you so much. Om Sai Ram, thank you so much for joining in. It's like blessings coming to me through the Facebook live. Thanks so much, Malaji. Yes, Taruna Isar, good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Any guidance from my husband? His name is Shiv. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so Shiv is, saying there's something brewing up on the work front. So it's a sort of, a wake-up call for you, or, maybe he's just sounding you off that you need to really pay attention on your work front. There is something that is coming up. So he wants you to be much more careful in your work front. Yeah, maybe with your colleagues or with your bosses, there is something that is brewing up. So please do take care, Taruna. Yeah. Hi, Sonali Speaks. Thank you so much for joining in from Nairobi. It's always a pleasure to, have all my well-wishers around me, and thank you so much for taking in the time difference and still joining in. Thank you so much. Hello, Arpita Mehta. Thank you so much for joining in. Please do a general reading for me. Absolutely sure. Arpita, I would also like to tell you, because you're a regular on my show, and for everyone else who has joined in, so we have this group called Magical Healings, which I had formed some time ago. And this Sunday that has just gone, just after Diwali, I did a live on your sun signs, the guidance, angel guidance for all the sun signs from this Diwali to next Diwali. So what is it that the angels want you to take care of? So do go on Magical Healings and look up what angels have to say for your particular sun sign. Yes, Arpita, I think you were there. I don't know, I don't remember, but in case for all the others, if you were there or if you weren't there, do take out time and log on to the Facebook group of Magical Healings. Yes, so we look up for Arpita. Arpita, you know what, there are times when we think a lot of negative thoughts, and when we keep on thinking these negative thoughts, they have a way of coming true. Because trust me, Arpita, we are all energy beings. Even if you have done Reiki, pranic healing, any other energy healing modality or no, what you think has power. You know, even neurolinguistics, they say that if you hold a thought in your mind for 30 seconds, all the thoughts aligned to that are going to come to you. So, you know, Arpita, whatever you are thinking, what's coming out to me is that you're really thinking a lot, and you're thinking of the worst. You're thinking that, you know, literally sab kuch aisa nahi hai, waisa nahi hai. So everything is like negative. Maybe you start with the positive, but then, you know, it goes again to the negative. So please stop that thought process, and no need to you know, get into sleepless nights, you know, because of those. Because sometimes what happens is what we think becomes true. So there is a Ambika mantra, Arpita, you know, Ambika Anant Nidhana Ashwarud Aparajita. So Ambika mantra or Aparajita mantra, even if you Google it, you will get that mantra. Please start chanting it at least 108 times. When I say at least, what I mean is कि वो आपके बिल्कुल मुंह पे चढ़ा हुआ होना चाहिए. कभी कभी हमारे आसपास और हमारे अंदर से नेगेटिविटी जो होती है वो इतनी ज़्यादा हो जाती है कि हम शायद सही सोच नहीं पाते, देख नहीं पाते. तो अपराजिता मंत्र really comes in handy. At the same time, you know, red jasper is going to do you a lot of good. You know, if you are into energy healing, if you are into crystals, please look up red jasper. At the same time, you can also log on to my YouTube channel and look up how to strengthen the root chakra, because Arpita, your root chakra definitely needs nourishing at this moment. And there will also be a mudra that I have put, you know, a yoga mudra to strengthen the root chakra. So you may learn the yoga mudra, that is a hand mudra, and you can just do it every day, and you'll see the difference very soon. Yeah. Yes, Bhavna Puri, please do an aura reading for my husband Vinay Ghai. Okay. So yes, definitely there is something in the stomach that's going on, and also in the third eye, Bhavna Puri. So for your husband, definitely it's the solar plexus and it is the third eye. So what I would actually want you to do is, if you know, you can keep an amethyst besides him. You know, it can be a small or a big amethyst, or you know, if he can wear a bracelet of amethyst, that would be nice. And please give him a lot of yellow food to eat, or if you can wear some yellow clothes, or you can keep yellow blooms in your house. And yes, that should do it. Okay, Bhavna? Yes, Bhavna Jam, good evening. Thank you so much. Om Sai Ram, thanks so much for joining in, Bhavna. Thank you so much. Yes, Nitin Gupta would love a career guidance card, please. Absolutely, Nitin. Let me just shuffle it and have a spread for you. So a spread for Nitin Gupta. You know what, Nitin, this is a time when there is going to be a lot of conflict with a lot of people. So, you know, as far as career guidance goes, what I would say is that please take a step back. If there is a conflict, if there is any you know, discussion happening, please know that you're not going to really get into the discussion big time, because the discussion can anytime come, you know, become a fight. And so this is the time to stop getting into any discussion which you know can, you know, be pulled further, because this is the time when it can really get heated up and it can spoil things for you. So as far as your career guidance goes, this is the time to take a step back and probably, you know, cool your heels for some time before the time is right. What you can also do is you can keep a crystal called Howlite, you know, HOWLIT, because that will really give you a lot of calmness. What I can see in the card is a lot of heat, lot of anger and lot of resentment also welling up. And because you'll be holding things back, it can really be detrimental for your own body. So please, if you can hold a Howlite, it would be really nice. Yeah, I hope this helps. Take good care of yourself, Nitin. Hi, Anuradha Ozargar. Thank you so much for joining in from Pune. Yes. Good evening. Hope you had a great Diwali. Yes, I did. It was a quiet Diwali this time, but I think it's alright. Yeah. So this week's angelic guidance for me. Yes, sure, Anuradha, I'll be taking it out. But as I have said earlier, also do visit our group of Magical Healings. I know you are there on the group. And do look up what the angels have to say for the entire year from this Diwali to the next. Yeah. So a card for Anuradha. Okay, Anuradha, so you know what, you are having some wonderful new ideas. Whatever you are thinking of starting or doing, or for your own self or for your friends and family, please understand that you are divinely guided at this time. And you know, you are in a process of taking flight of your own. So whatever you are guiding others, whatever are your guidances for your own self, your ideas, they are really wonderful. So please go ahead and start implementing them, or ask your friends and families, whomsoever you are guiding, to really begin acting on your ideas. Though the start may look a little challenging at times, how to do, what to do, and in fact when you start implementing the ideas, you might feel that it is not really working out with a bang as you must have thought. But trust me, in the long run, you are going to bless your stars that you did do, in accordance to the divine guidance. Yes, Arpita Mehta, general reading for me, please. Absolutely. Hi, Simran. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining in, Simran. I know you are a busy lady, a busy educationist, but at the same time, I know you are a wonderful channel, so you are able to manage yourself very well. So yes, we are having a card for Arpita. Let's have a general guidance. So Arpita, what is happening is that this time you are quite emotional. You are in your emotional zone. Probably you are remembering a lot of your childhood or a lot of your past lives. Past life as in the time that you've already spent. You are probably comparing, this was our time and this is this time, or something. You're meeting your old friends, talking to them, old colleagues, old office mates, classmates, colleagues, something. It's just coming up, and yes, you are also enjoying. I'm not saying that it's about sadness. It's also about happy times that you've spent. So some past relationships I can see coming up. I can definitely see some past memories welling up, and you sort of basking in that glory. Oh, we had this time. Yeah, so that is the time, that is the week that's going to be. Yes. Okay, so you want the music to be a little low? Okay, let me just do that. Okay, now let me know if it is all right. Yes, Pratiksha Rama, good evening. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you? I'm absolutely fine. Guidance for November, please. Okay, so for the rest of the November, that's the next around 10 days. But Pratiksha Rama, I don't know if you were there for our sun sign prediction for the year on Magical Healings. If you weren't, please do go there, because I know you are going to value it a lot. So guidance for Pratiksha Rama for the rest of the November that we have, and one card just drops in. Okay, so this time is this time that you are going to have for the next 10 days, you need to look up your health, Pratiksha. You really need to look up your health, because a lot of emotional jing bang is going to happen. When I say emotional jing bang, what I mean is it is about relationships. It's about intimate relationships, your close relationships, your immediate family, or if you are an entrepreneur, maybe they're just the immediate partners or your employees, friends and all, but very close ones. So there's a lot going on there. So please weigh your words carefully before you say anything, or if you're trying to advise somebody, or if you see that you can help, take your time. Please understand the other person might not want help. They are just probably blowing off their steam. They are using you as a sounding board, which is absolutely all right, because we also do that at times. So yes, your health needs concern. At the same time, you definitely need to know that your relationships need you, but they might not always need advice. At the same time, if there are any problems, if there are any issues that are there in your mind, even if you remotely feel, Pratiksha Rama, that this is something that needs attention, that this is something that is not right, please don't ignore it. Please don't ignore it. Please look at it absolutely, in the eye, and see what you can do. Because yes, there is something about health that I can see. And as I said, another card had dropped out of the deck, and that definitely says that you should not be ignoring any thought that comes in your mind about any concern. Yeah, so best of luck from our side. Hey Radhika Gupta, thank you so much for joining in. I hope all's well in your paradise. Yeah. Yes, Bhavna Jam, angelic guidance for me this week. Yes, let's just take it. Very soon we are going to enter 2021, and let's see what the new normal will be. 2020 has taught us a lot of things. Let's see what 2021 has in store. So a card for Bhavna Jam for this week. ओके भावना, आपका मन का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखें, बिकॉज आपके मन में बहुत उथल पुथल हो रही होगी, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी गुड फॉर मेडिटेशन. इफ यू आर लर्निंग एनीथिंग दैट इज मेडिटेटिव, प्लीज गो अहेड एंड बहुत शिद्दत से करिएगा, बिकॉज दिस वीक इज गोइंग टू be helpful in making you aware of a lot of things that goes behind the scenes, in the sense in the spiritual realm. We are generally so used to thinking that okay, this is our world, but it's not only that, it's not only our world. There are a lot of different worlds that exist within this this realm, but a lot of realms are also there, so some we can see, some we cannot. So this is the time when you will be able to explore them, you'll be able to know about them. So please do meditate. Take this time out to meditate and release whatever you are holding back, whatever fears you are feeling, whatever insecurities you are feeling. Please release them, because what I can see is a lot of spirituality rising up, and you are absolutely in the zone for that. At the same time, there are going to be a lot of changes, Bhavna Jam, because whatever situations that were locked till now, because of your meditation and because of your जिसको हम बोलते हैं अंतर्मुख होना, because of that a lot of things are going to change. So yes, it's a good time according to me for you, because I think you definitely believe in the power of meditation, power of prayers, and that is what is going to be very very handy to you. Yeah, so use this week well. Yes, Radhika Gupta, what do the angels have to say about me? Yes, I will definitely look it up. And before I take out a card for you, Radhika, I would want to tell everyone, if they are considering leading a guided life, wanting to know who their spirit guides are and how to connect with them, do join in our last workshop on automatic writing for this year, which will begin on 24th of November. And I especially call it Automatic Writing Simplified, because I teach it in a very very simplified manner, and even before you would be an expert automatic writer. Yeah, so the details are already on the page, but I'll be putting it in the comment section. So here is a card for Radhika. You know what, there are a lot of things that are happening in your life, lot of things, so you have to manage a lot, and you might be literally on the edge now. बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती आ रही हैं, तो कई बार हम ना बिल्कुल एक प्रेशर कुकर इफेक्ट पे खड़े होते हैं, the last thing. So yes, there will be a lot of things that need completion now. They are actually coming to an end, but क्या होता है, you are literally reaching the end of that cycle, but you might just blow your top, or as they say, blow your top is a very for short of words, you might just sort of become suddenly irritated, or suddenly you may say okay theek hai, I don't want to do it, or suddenly become emotional. What I see is that yes, you might get irritated, you might get angry, you might feel very overwhelmed. So please try not to get into that zone, because this difficult time is coming to an end. And doing this, or if you allow all these things to happen, maybe you might not get closure to whatever is happening with you, right? So I would definitely want you to work with a smoky quartz if you have, and a lot of citrine. So I have this, I can show you a smoky quartz, I'm sure you would know it, and a beautiful citrine if you can have. So work with smoky quartz and citrine. I know you do meditate every day, so if you have these two crystals, please hold them in your hand and meditate. At the same time, please have salt water baths every single day, and if you can, definitely chant the word reach. I know switch words are very very powerful, so if you can chant the word reach, because when you talk about reach, you are talking about reaching to a decision, reaching to a conclusion, reaching to a solution. So there are going to be a lot of details that you need to handle, a lot of issues that you need to finally finish off. So if you chant the word reach, I'm sure it will help you. At the same time, one more thing that comes to my mind is you can definitely start chanting unicorn magic begin now. I think you need unicorn magic in your life. There's a very big difference between wolf magic and unicorn magic. So if you want, you can definitely read it up on the net, but I think Radhika, you need unicorn magic in your life, so do start chanting that as well. Yeah, I hope this helps. Hey Jyoti Naran, thank you so much for joining in. This filter is making you look like an angel. Really? Oh, thank you so much. I thought it's winters and winters have started. So before I was just starting it, I thought, okay, I saw this and I said, let me just put it. But thanks so much for your, compliment. It's nice. So I thought it was that snow thing. Yeah. Jai Sai Ram. Yes, Jai Sai Ram. Seriously. Hi, Ishmerotra. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining in. I hope you are well. And yes, let's look up the next question. Hi Stella, thanks so much. It's so nice to see you. I'm absolutely good. I hope so you are. Angelic guidance for me. Absolutely. Let's look it up. Let's ask the angels. Guidance for Stella. Stella, it's a wonderful time for you. You are actually surrounded with abundance, and I think you've really worked on yourself. You've worked on your inner self, and you know what? Things are absolutely looking up. You are totally geared up to do something new, something big, and you have made long-term plans, or you are in the process of making long-term plans. And you know what? Along with some people whom you value, you've shared with them, and they are ready to help you. And things are just working out. Just have a little more patience, because the universe is working in the background, Stella, to help you achieve all that you wish for. Because what I can see in the card is absolute abundance, beautiful abundance, and with a lot of spirituality and heart. That is what I am loving about the card. Yeah, so abundance with a lot of spirituality and love. Yeah, so best of luck from our side. What you can also do is you may keep a green aventurine crystal with you. Yeah, when you keep green aventurine with you, you make sure that what you attract is abundance and good good options for you, the best options, because it's a time when you are attracting a lot of options. Yeah, so best of luck. Just one sec, guys. Yes, so we have Ridhima, Jain Bish. Thank you so much, Ridhima. I hope you are keeping well. General guidance card, please, ma'am. Yeah, sure. Today I am at your service, ma'am. So it's not about please, it's actually a big thank you from my side to all of you for taking out time to join into my Guru Seva. I know 5 o'clock is not a very easy time for every one of you to join, but thank you so much for taking out time. Yeah. So here we have for Ridhima. So Ridhima, understand that even though you feel that this is a tough time for you, which definitely it may be, I can really see tough time, but what I can also see that you have a guardian angel with you. Yeah, so you do have a guardian angel, Ridhima, guarding you. So don't worry. And you just have to ensure that you are doing what you need to do in the situation that you are. Whatever you are required to do, please continue to do that. Okay, you have to just get things done, and you just need to pass this time. Okay, because this time is short and this time will move over, and there's a guardian angel who is there with you. Yeah, so what you may chant for some magical thing to happen is Durga Damdama Stotra, that is Durga Damdama Dosh Varjita Durachar Samani. Yeah, you can Google it. I know it's a लॉन्ग मंत्रा, सो मे बी मेरे से एक बार सुनने से आपको याद नहीं होगा, लेकिन दुर्गा दमदमा स्तोत्र करके भी अगर आप YouTube पे करेंगी या अगर आपको Google पे भी करेंगी तो you will find it and you can just keep on chanting it as many times as possible. Yeah. Yes, Simran Kaur, angelic guidance for my husband's career, please. His name is Ananjot. Yes, let's just ask the angels what guidance he has for Ananjot. Okay, so Simran, the guidance that comes out for your husband's career is that probably he is in the process of taking a decision, in the process of really doing something very drastic or very क्या कहते हैं उसको, very important in his life. But the thing is that this is not the time to immediately take up a decision. So probably I can say not the next 4 to 8 days. I would want him to still hold on. hold on to take his decision. I want him to sleep over it and meditate over it, if this is exactly the decision that he wants to take. Because right now he's in a very, very exhausted situation. At the same time, what I see is he's really surrounded by a lot of things. There are a lot of things, plus, minuses, pros and cons, that's going out. And not only that, there are a lot of negative thoughts as well, which are really pulling him down, which are tiring him down. So a fluorite, a rainbow fluorite might really help him focus, or an amethyst can also help him focus. But a fluorite, I've always seen that fluorite helps. And if you can get the aroma, the essential oil of sage. Sage is very good for meditation. Even yang oil aids in meditation. So if you can keep it around him, it will help him in, sort of removing all the clutter from his mind and focusing on if he really needs to take this decision, and if the decision that he has thought of is the right one. Because yes, he definitely needs to hold on for some time, at least 4 to 8 days, before he really puts that decision into action. Yeah, Simran, I hope this helps. Hello Rekha Goswami, good evening. Thank you so much. Thanks for the compliment. Message for me for this month, for the month of November that's left. Today we are already standing on 19th, another 10 days to go. Rekha, by the way, I just wanted to say that you can look up our group called Magical Healings, and you will find a whole year's prediction, or you can say guidance for your sun sign. So I think you'll find it valuable. Yes, so let's look up. One sec. Okay, let's look up angel guidance for Rekha Goswami in any particular field. No, you're just looking for a message for the month. So, Rekha, what you had thought or what you had hoped for, you might have taken up a decision, or you might have thought that I'm going to do something in this particular fashion. So things are not really turning out in the way, because there's a lot of clutter. There are a lot of people involved with what you want to do. And either it would be people intensive or it would be finance intensive. And it, whatever you wanted or whatever you wished, it did not turn out. So, what the universe is saying, that listen, nothing is gone. Okay, whatever effort you've put in, whatever thoughts you've put in, whatever you've dreamt of, nothing has, been lost. Don't think that, ab ho gaya, and I really don't know what to do. Look at the positive side, how you explored, as they say, expanding your consciousness. You could think of it, you could do it, you could dream of doing it, and you tried something new. So look at the positive side, because you know what, it has not got unnoticed. Your capacity, your capabilities have not gone unnoticed. So please do not get into the emotional part of it. Not sit down and feel bad about it, but rather than that, look up the positive part of it. Yes, Rekha, so best of luck from our side. At the same time, I would say, please, if you can get green lace agate. It's a very pretty stone, and it's a very soft stone, and I don't really tell people to use this, because for using this we need very soft temperaments, very gentle temperaments. It gently heals your heart chakra. So if you can get green lace agate, you may definitely keep it with you and use it, and you'll find a lot of that, that little residue from your heart move out. Yes. Hi Nikita Garg, good evening. Thank you so much joining in from Gwalior. I know it would be a beautiful evening out there, but yes, thanks so much for taking out time and joining in. Yes, Ish Mehrotra, angelic guidance for me. Sure, just give me a moment. Is there any particular area where you wanted the angelic guidance, Ish? Nevertheless, I'll just take out a general card and let's see what comes up for you. So, angelic guidance for Ish. Okay, Ish, what I get for you is, what I see is definitely there is a lot of abundance around you and you are walking towards it. But right now you are having insecurity about money, about financial abundance. You have a lot of question mark about it. but the angels are saying do not worry, money is there and money is coming to you. So yes, but still right now you are in that whole zone where you are fearful of money, that there is less money with me, or the see, Ish, what I mean is that we all have our own benchmark as to how much money is adequate money for us. Yeah, so right now whatever amount of money you have, you feel it's not really adequate for you. Yeah, so but what I do see is a lot of abundance coming, so nothing to worry there. But yes, you do have my fears right now, but please keep those fears aside. I would definitely ask you to take to dip your feet in salt water at night before you sleep, for 10 minutes, so that all this insecurity is gone off from your entire system. You do not need to hold it up in your cells, in your cellular memory. At the same time, the guidance that is coming out for you, Ish, is that you need to accept help from others. प्लीज सी वी ग्रो अप विद द थिंग कि हाथ हमेशा देने वाला रखो, वो बड़ा होता है, बट कभी कभी हाथ ऐसे भी करना जरूरी है. A lot of blockages in the heart chakras are not because we are not giving love, but also because we are not accepting love, Ish. So the point is that you need to ask help from others and accept help from others. Do not feel that if you are asking for help, aap chote ho gaye ho. That is what is coming out. And at the same time, what is coming out is if you are thinking of starting something on your own, please hold those thoughts for some time, because this is not the time to start anything on your own. This is the time to do a job or work in some firm, in some company, and that will really really do you good. Yes, so if you're really looking at money, I would actually ask you to keep a piece of citrine and a piece of malachite, a small tiny crystal of citrine and a small tiny crystal of malachite. I don't have malachite right now, otherwise I would have shown you. So Ish, you can keep both of them in your wallet, so that there will always 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 be abundance and a lot of money in your wallet, and it will also give you a lot of mental satisfaction for that. Yeah, Ish, so best of luck from our side. Thank you so much. Yes, so the details for reaching out to me for automatic writing course is right there. And not only for the automatic writing course, friends, I am also going to take up I'm going to do an FB live meditation on the new moon in December, so do look forward to that, to the details for that as well. So yes, at the end of the year of 2020, generally we do our meditations in our own like Zoom calls or something like that, as a group on Zoom. But this time what I decided is my new year gift to all of you is going to be a new moon meditation. So the details will be out very soon, so please do keep on looking up this page for the details, and everybody can join. There will be a pre-class, and there will also be the final meditation live on Facebook, right here on this page. Yeah. Yes, Dimple Rawat, could you please share angel guidance for my health? Absolutely, absolutely. Let me just look it up. I was just shuffling the cards. Dimple Rawat, yeah. Dimple, so what is coming out for you is that this week you really need to sit back and see, the people whom you are dealing with, are they being honest with you? Are they being open with you? Are they telling you the truth? You really really need to sit back and tap into your own intuition, because you have a very good intuition power. That is what I can come to know from here, and that your intuition and your power to know people, to gauge people, is going to really really help you a lot. So this week it is a time to face the truth. It is the time to know what exactly people have in mind, and scan people. Yeah, and with that you will know whom to trust and whom not to trust, and how to go ahead. Yes, Dimple, so that is the caution that is coming out for you generally. And as you ask about your health, so yes, there are certain things that you definitely need to take care. So you need to take second or the third opinion. Okay, like if you have a health issue and you go to a doctor, which you definitely should go, but do not just bank upon the opinion of one doctor. Please go to second or the third doctor also. Take at least 2 opinions and see what comes out, because there are a lot of things that are going in. हर कोई एकदम से पकड़ पाए ऐसा नहीं हो पाएगा शायद, तो इसलिए आप 2 या 3 डॉक्टर्स के पास ज़रूर जाके मिलें. अपने आप के पास, अपने पास सिर्फ just keeping all your issues to yourself will not help you. Yeah, Dimple, so best of luck from our side, and hope by the next week you've sorted out everything. Yeah, yes, Sonali speaks. I would like angelic guidance on my energy levels. I'm going through a lot of healing and always have fatigue and can't do much for my career and other things. I'm grateful for all the support. I need guidance and on what I need to do now, because I'm frustrated. I can't do more work and be fulfilled in my career. Okay, so let's just look up guidance for your health, because your health is the one thing that is hampering your career as well, right? So let us ask about your health, about the fatigue that you feel and what you can do. Yeah, it's nice that you recognize, Sonali, that you are going through a process of healing. It's a healing upheaval kind of a thing, biochemical release. So what there's a lot of past that is coming out in your life. That is what is coming out here in my cards. And there are going to be a lot of things that are going to come up, and they are going to come at a very fast pace. So all the delays and all the holding back that was there, Sonali, that's going to be over very, very soon. Before you know, blink of an eye, there are going to be a lot of events that are going to happen. Maybe your clients who have just said yes, no, maybe we'll get back to you, they're going to come back. So yes, that is going to be there. But on your health front, the thing is, there is a lot of past issues. See, Sonali, what happens whenever we hold to an emotion? Maybe when I was a child of 5-6 years, I must have had some emotion, some fearful incident or some fearful thought which was very real to me, and I have stored it in my cellular memory. Now what happens is, now I've forgotten about the incident. I don't even remember what fear I have, but even right now in my cellular memory, that is there. So when you are going through a process of healing, that is released and you don't know what's happening, but then you just know that there's a lot of tiredness and a lot of fatigue, because that fear that I had when I was 5-6 years of age, which I don't even remember, it is now coming back. And coming back in the sense, I don't feel that fear, but then it is there as a biochemical residue which I need to flush out. So yes, what is happening is definitely the past is coming up, the history is coming back, and at the same time probably you are also kind of reminiscing about your past. So please move out of that zone. And yes, I would also recommend selenite wand aura cleansing schedules for you. Please, thrice a day use the selenite wand to cleanse your aura. As I had explained, I don't have the wand now, but you can just hold the wand from front down slowly in your auric layer till your feet and tap on the floor thrice. And cleansing is always done anti-clockwise, so you got to move front, left, back and right. Yeah, so do it in the morning, in the afternoon and at night, and also if possible salt water baths are recommended for you, Sonali. Yeah. Hi Shreem Ganpati, thank you so much. Thanks for joining in. It's so nice to see you. I know again from Kenya you are joining in, and I really value that you are able to juggle the time and join in, because there I'm sure it's afternoon, it's working time, and you are saying hi to me, so I value your hi very much. Hi Preeti Sharma, thank you so much. Thanks for joining in. Always nice to see you. Yes, Shreem Ganpati, a financial angel card, please. Absolutely, let's just check it out. So, financial guidance card for Shreem Ganpati. So, okay, let me take out. Okay, Shreem, so what I need to tell you is that you need to heal your inner child. There is inner child healing that is really needed for you, because the things that you've been working so hard for, things that you've been wanting to turn out the way you wanted to, might not turn out exactly the way you hoped for, or on that level that you hoped for. So you might think, oh God, I did this, I did that, and this, that, but it has not turned out. So that might be a feeling, but please move away from that feeling, because this time universe has allotted to you to heal. There are a lot of past things. You need to forgive yourself, and you need to forgive others for a lot of things, Shrim Ganpati. So in terms of finance, what's coming up is that yes, maybe you will give more than you get. You might need to spend more than you get. So yes, but they say that you need to do inner child healing and a lot of forgiveness exercise with money. So the simplest thing I can say is one of my favorites, Ho'oponopono, which I'm sure you know, but for the benefit of all the viewers, I want to reiterate it. You can take the if you have a 2000 rupee note or a 500 rupee note, or whichever, the largest, if you have a dollar or a pound, whatever, in whichever part of the world that you are, the currency note, you can hold it in your hand and simply visualize it in a beautiful bubble of white light, sparkling white light, and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, and I love you. Simply go on chanting that. You have to ask forgiveness from the energy of money. Yeah, so I hope that really helps, Shrim Ganpati. And also for your inner child healing, there are a lot of inner child healing meditations available on YouTube. You may just log in, and please do this for 21 consecutive days. I'm sure you are going to benefit from that. Yeah, so best of luck from our side. Yes, Nikita Garg, we are looking for relocation. Any new perspectives in the near future? Okay, Nikita, let us just ask the angels what exactly they have in store for you. You would like to relocate, and yes. So, can we look at relocation for Nikita? Absolutely, you will have a lot of very good opportunities coming your way, Nikita. You just need to look around, because this is what the divine wants. And the move or the relocation is going to really help you, but all you need to take care is of the documents and the contracts, because that is where the trick lies. So yes, the thought of relocation is right on your path, and at the same time, whatever you are thinking, wherever you must have applied, those are the right places, and something very good is going to turn out. But you need to look up the contracts and the documents. Yeah, so best of luck from our side, Nikita. Hi Urmeet Kaur. Shubh Labh Pancham. Yes, I know today is Labh Pancham. I'm so happy that somebody else also knows that, because generally people don't talk about it, or generally Diwali हो जाती है तो उसके बाद भाई दूज होता है and people feel it's over. But हाँ जी, शुभ लाभ पंचम है. बिल्कुल आपको भी बहुत ज़्यादा ईश्वर करे शुभ लाभ आपके घर में भरा पूरा रहे. So thank you so much for your wishes. Yes, Sharifa Bola, good evening. Lovely to see you again. Lovely to see you too. Yes, please tell me what message do my angels have for me this season. Yes, I know now this is a winter season and new year is just coming in, and that's what I was wondering, that 2020 has taught us so many things. Let's see what 2021 has to teach us. And you know what, Urmeet, the guidance that comes to you through me from your angels and Sai Ji is that you got to keep your mind and heart in complete balance, Urmeet, because you need to take a lot of decisions. You need to take a lot of just and right decisions, because the world, you are a world in your own self. We all are a world in our own self. They say a drop in an ocean, or an ocean in a drop. So you are an ocean in a drop. So you really need to understand that, this is a time for a very positive change. This is a time when you are going to move ahead. As it's like कहते हैं ना कि वो जिंदगी का पहिया चलता रहता है. The wheel is going to move, but for it to move in the right directions, you need to take some very tough and very strong decisions. So please, you need to stand up for what you believe in, your values. You need to understand what you can do, what is negotiable and what is non-negotiable, and then move ahead. Because yes, you are on the, you're right there on the as they say, on the point where the wheel is going to move ahead for you in this life. Yeah, so you're completing a cycle and you're starting a new cycle. So before you start a new cycle, you definitely need to take some decisions. Yeah. So yes, friends, before we wind up the session, I want to take just one last question. But before that, I want to say that there is an automatic writing class, the last workshop for automatic writing. We are going to begin on 24th November. Then we are also going to do FB Live new moon meditation right here on this page. And yes, I am going to teach you everything that I know about my angel tarot cards, and that course is going to begin on 21st of December 2020. So yes, you can do it on your own, you can gift it to your friends and family, and definitely lead a guided life. Yeah. So for the last question of the day, Ritika Sarkar, thank you so much. Thank you, my pleasure entirely, Ritika. Thank you so much for joining in. Yes, Roli Anshuman. Yes, the last question for today is from Roli. Request you to do a general reading for me. Yeah, sure. Let us just do a general reading for you, Roli. Okay, Roli, so this is a very, very good time for you. If you're looking at self-employment, if you're looking at something in a job, or if you're looking for a raise in your salary, whatever, this is going to be a wonderful time. So please accept all the opportunities that you get, and whatever you're thinking for, just go on, because you're a very practical person, very, very responsible also, and you have everything that it takes to make any project that you are in successful. If you're thinking of a venture, to make it successful, whatever, you're looking at a job prospect, the interviews are going to go out very, very nicely. So it's a very happy time for you and a very successful time for you. Yes, Roli. So enjoy this week. And to all of you from my side, thank you so much for joining in for this Guru Seva Guruvar. And I know winters are there, but do take good care of yourself and remain healthy. Stay safe. Bye-bye.